As XRP token has gradually resumed growing but is so far stuck at the 40 cents level, whales continue to move staggering amounts of this crypto asset, trading it or redistributing their riches. Over the past 10 hours, large crypto holders, widely known as whales in the crypto space, have transferred more than 260 million XRP in just a few transactions, according to data provided by Whale Alert. The largest portion was shifted by Bitham Exchange, whose owner has again gotten in trouble with the authorities. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. According to the popular cryptocurrency tracker mentioned above, over the past 10 hours, large amounts of XRP have been moved. Whale Alert has marked the majority of the participating wallets as anonymous. However, it then provided some more details, showing that the largest transfer here, carrying 160 million XRP, was made by major South Korean crypto exchange Bitham internally, between its own wallets. Another internal transfer here was made by the Bitso exchange, which is a major Ripple partner in the Latin America region, where it is doing its best to spread Ripple's ODL technology, on-demand liquidity, that enables quick and cheap cross-border payments and remittances. Bitso transferred 39,500,000 XRP from one its address to another. Their two remaining transfers, which carried 30 million and 33 million XRP, were made by whales from the US-based Bitrex exchange. These two lumps of XRP were sent to Bitstamp and Bitso again. In total, 262.5 million XRP was transacted. This amount is equal to $107.7 million in fiat. As reported on Thursday, the recent story with Bitham's chief has taken a new turn. The Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office made a request to receive an arrest warrant for Kang Jong-hyun, secret chairman. Kang and a few other executives of Bitham have recently faced several charges, including embezzlement. The actual owner of the crypto giant, Lee Young-hoon, faced the risk of spending 8 years in prison as was requested by prosecutors in October. They charged him with committing fraud on a massive scale back in 2021. He was, however, released as 2023 started, right after it became known that Park Mo, vice president of Bitham's largest shareholder, Videnco, committed suicide by jumping out of his apartment window in the middle of an embezzlement and stock manipulation investigation. Davis echoes the views of the majority of the crypto community, but with a caveat. In a tweet today, crypto influencer and YouTuber Lark Davis, with above 1M subscribers, expressed his desired outcome in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) case against Ripple. Recall that the SEC filed a complaint against Ripple and its executives in December 2020 for engaging in the offer and sale of XRP, which it alleged represented unregistered security. Per the tweet today, Davis wants a Ripple win. However, the influencer remains adamant that he is still not buying any XRP. The influencer says this despite predicting in November that the asset's price would experience a massive rally if Ripple wins the case. "I hope that XRP wins their court case, but I am still not going to buy it," Davis wrote. It is worth noting that the influencer does not think highly of the 6th largest crypto by market cap and the 4th largest, excluding stablecoins. In December 2021, Davis described XRP as the most disappointing coin in the top 10, asserting it no longer belongs there. Last November, he called XRP's value into question after JP Morgan used Matic on Aave to execute a foreign exchange transaction. Notably, last November's comments attracted a harsh response from attorney John Deaton, who suggested that the influencer did not know the difference between Ripple and XRP. Consequently, it is no surprise that there is no love lost between several members of the XRP community and the YouTuber. In response to his tweet today, many have expressed that they do not care about his opinion. Others have asserted that he still does not know the difference between XRP and Ripple. Meanwhile, it bears mentioning that Davis echoes the view of most participants in the crypto space. As previously reported, several pundits have recently voiced support for Ripple, championing an outright Ripple win as the best possible outcome. This is because it is believed that it would force the SEC to create clear rules for the crypto space and discontinue its campaign of regulation through enforcement. Conversely, the crypto community expects a bloodbath if Ripple loses, as SEC Chair Gary Gensler has continued to assert that most cryptos except Bitcoin are securities. On Thursday, XRP fell by 1.86%. partially reversing a 2.26% gain from Wednesday. XRP ended the day at $0.40947. Despite the bearish session, XRP avoided a return to sub-$0.40 levels. Bearish throughout the session, XRP fell from an early high of $0.41729 to a late afternoon low of $0.40549. However, steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at $0.4020, XRP revisited $0.41347 before falling back into the deep red. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC v. Ripple case to distract investors on Thursday. The lack of updates left XRP in the hands of U.S. economic indicators, corporate earnings, and the crypto newswires. U.S. Q4 GDP and jobless claims beat expectations, supporting a bullish Nasdaq index session. However, tighter labor market conditions and a better-than-expected Q4 could give the Fed hawks more wriggle room to lift rates higher, which curtailed an attempted afternoon recovery. While corporate earnings supported the Nasdaq index, FTX news weighed on crypto investor sentiment. The release of the FTX creditor list delivered the crypto market with a reality check, raising the threat of more draconian-style regulatory measures to limit the impact of the crypto market on more traditional asset classes. Regulation by enforcement continues to weigh on investor sentiment as the SEC looks to bring the digital asset space under its purview. Losing the case to Ripple would likely hand the reins to the CFTC, which would be the more favored outcome for the crypto market. Considering the SEC's position in the SEC v. Ripple case, the William Hinman speech-related documents could decide which regulatory authority regulates the digital asset space. A ruling in favor of the defendants could force the SEC down the settlement path or face disclosing the content of the speech-related documents. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacher, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacher. Before the filing for redactions, the SEC had made at least 6 attempts to shield the speech-related documents under attorney-client privilege. Last week, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse had this to say about the Hinman documents. "When those come to light, I think you will see more kind of like, how is it possible for the SEC to decide to bring a case against Ripple given what they were saying within their own walls?" Today, investors should monitor updates from the SEC v. Ripple case. However, a lack of updates would leave the broader crypto market to provide direction. FTX and Genesis updates will remain key drivers. U.S. economic indicators will draw interest this afternoon. Inflation, personal spending, and personal income are in focus. A pickup in spending and inflation would weigh on the Nasdaq index and the broader crypto market. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.